get your shot yet? Well, you know, some people don't want to get a shot. And this comes as there's a stunning report from the CDC. It claims that children who are even perfectly healthy and get the flu, well, some are dying from flu complications. Dr. Siegel, you wouldn't think in this day and age, with everything that we have, that you still have flu deaths, especially among children.
And last year was a particularly bad season for flu, the worst since 2004, because it started very early, and a lot of elderly were hospitalized, and 167 children died of complications of the flu. And what people out there need to know is that the flu isn't what kills you or what gets you in the hospital. It's the other things you get when your immune system is affected, like pneumonia was the #1 reason that children died. If you have a chronic illness, if you have asthma, if you have diabetes, if you have heart disease, it's all the more reason to be vigilant about the flu, because if the flu comes parading in on top of somebody with diabetes, that's when they get really sick. Pregnant women and young children. The Centers for Disease Control is recommending flu shots for everyone over the age of 6 months. I completely agree for one reason, and I'll toss it over to David. The reason is something we call herd immunity, Eric. If you're in a house with a young child, or you're in a house with a pregnant woman, or you're in a house with a chronically ill person, if you get a flu shot, the chances of the flu entering the house is much greater, much lower. We have to create a ring of immunity around the house that's at risk.
So you say get a flu shot.
Flu shots for all. We have 135 million doses this year. Now, I know David has a quiz to throw at us on the flu.
Plus, you're a doctor, though. Your immune system must be beyond needing a flu shot, I would think, after everything you've been exposed to over the years.
Well, we're also obligated. It's mandatory for everybody in the hospital, nurses, doctors, to be really getting vaccinated. And this study is important because not only was in the Journal of Pediatrics, they looked at it over about a decade. And we're talking about healthy kids. We're not talking about kids with diabetes or asthma or cerebral palsy. So this is really important. They got sick and they also died within few days. So you want to be careful.
I was trying to avoid the quiz in case we don't know the answers.
Pneumonia can get you when you got the flu.
Last year we did this, and a lot of people loved it. And I started with you. Now maybe we can start with Eric this time and say, I will throw an easy one. Okay, so we got the flu shot, and now immediately after you got really sick. Can you get sick from the flu shot? True or false?
No, because it's a dead virus.
How about the mist, the nasal mist?
I guess right.
So the first one is correct, but the nasal mist, it's a live...
but people say they get the flu shot and they feel lousy for a couple of days.
So it just happens that you may feel a little lousy, but you're not going to get the flu from the actual shot itself. It's coincident. This one goes to our Dr. Siegel. A lot of people think that, you know, there are preservatives and thimerosal can cause autism. What's the news on that? What is your thought on this?
Well, a couple of points. A great question to ask me. Actually, some flu shots are now available without thimerosal, but thimerosal has never been shown to cause autism. And we spend so much time and resources studying that, we could have been spending that money looking for other causes.
That's been so controversial, though.
And it's the reason people won't take a flu shot. They're wrong.
There's no data to prove that there's any connection between autism, and I know a lot of people may or may not agree with this. There's no clinical data that prove this, so that's really important. So the other one is the Guillain-Barré, which is a neurologic and muscle weakness that we see it once in every 2 million shots. So that's extremely rare. Back to Jamie. I got a flu shot last year. What do I need to get it again? Do I need to get a flu shot every year?
Yes, doctor, you need to get a flu shot every year. And I know Dr. Siegel's going to chase me around the studio until I do.
And he's not leaving me alone also.
Send us an email if you want Dr. Colby to get a flu shot on the show here.
And the reason is because the strain change every year, and you want to make sure. And pregnant women, are they safe to get flu shots? He gave it away a little before.
Yes.
It is. And that's absolutely safe. And any kids over 6 months old up, they're going to get the flu shot. So go get vaccinated.
There's the advice from the doctors, get a flu shot.
Many places you can get it for free, too.